Managing Director of Absolute Interpreting and Translations. Mr. Haidari, can you tell us what all this event is about and what is Absolute Interpreting and Translations involvement in this Achievement Award?
Thank you. This event is organized by the Black Country Partnership NHS Foundation Trust. This is an Achievement Award to recognize their staff hard work and also efforts in making a difference. And Absolute Interpreting and Translations are a proud sponsor, or one of the proud sponsors of this event, for working together and also working in partnership. And we're honored to be afforded as one of the sponsors of this event. Absolute also sponsored a previous event in 2013, and our commitment with any NHS contracts that we have is to work together with them and to make a difference by providing professional and cost-effective services to the NHS trusts across the country.
Interpreting and Translations is a well-known translation company in the United Kingdom. Can you tell us the secret behind Absolute Interpreting and Translations' rapid success in this field?
Thank you very much. It's an honor to be first of all in this event, and we are indeed committed to providing the most professional and cost-effective services across the industry, whether it's for the NHS trusts or local authorities. And we believe the reason for the company's rapid success within the public sector and private sector is our commitment to working in partnership and working together with our clients, regardless of the size of their businesses or the size of their organizations. We are committed to providing 24/7 interpreting and translation services across the UK. And I believe what really makes Absolute Interpreting and Translation stand out from most other companies, it's our commitment, and it's also our shared determination to ensuring that only professional and fully trained interpreters are recruited, and that only those interpreters who have the relevant experience and professionalism can deliver those services to our clients. It also is important that the fact, as one of the managing directors of the company, I am a qualified interpreter and translator myself, so I have worked with the United Nations for 5.5 years in the same capacity. Not only that I run the business, but I also have a passion. So in other words, I'm an entrepreneur as well as a translator and interpreter. So I believe it's our commitment, and it's making sure we are following the right procedures when we provide the service. And that's how we see our reason for the rapid success in the industry.
How long have you been providing translation and interpreting services to the Black Country Partnership NHS Foundation Trust?
Thank you very much. I'm pleased to confirm that Absolute Interpreting and Translations have been providing interpreting and translation services for the Black Country Partnership NHS Foundation Trust since 2009. And the services we provide cover a wide range of areas, such as face-to-face interpreting, written translation services, and as well as transcription services in over 265 languages. Thank you.
Can you tell us what makes Absolute Interpreting and Translations stand out from other translation and interpreting companies?
Thank you. As I stated earlier, as managing director of the company, I believe providing a service should cover a wide range of facts. For example, when you run a business, in other words, most probably business people would only focus on how to make a revenue. But by profession, I'm an interpreter and translator as well, so I've worked with the United Nations for 5.5 years. And I believe providing a quality service is the right of every client and the right of patients, and also making sure that the service we provide meet the required standards. I believe what makes us stand out from other companies is our commitment to providing quality and professional services, and also to providing free public service interpreting training courses to our interpreters. So this is to say that any interpreter we recruit, regardless of their qualification, their expertise, they have to go through our strict recruitment process, and also it's also our commitment to providing the service 24/7. Thank you.
Thank you. We understand that Absolute Interpreting and Translations provides free public service interpreting training courses to its interpreters. Don't you think you're actually investing on interpreters who could join other companies whenever they wish?
In fact, it is right. I mean, you are right in your question. The fact that the majority of interpreters work on freelance basis, and they're free to join as many companies as they wish. And as a professional company, we encourage them because we believe that it increases their hours of interpreting experience. And also, if we look at the reality, as I mentioned earlier, we look at running the business as a professional service provider, not just as making revenues and benefit for the business. The fact of the matter is, when we are contracted to provide professional and quality service to our NHS contracts or local authorities or any other organizations, we commit ourselves by providing professional interpreting service that meet each and every client's particular requirements. The training we provide are obviously costly. We invest heavily every quarter and every year. We train and we graduate interpreters. It's to make sure that the service we provide meet the required standards. Of course, there are bilinguals and there are also qualified interpreters and professionals who want to work as interpreters. But during our recruitment process, we make sure that we recruit interpreters who we believe can provide the required standards. And the way we ensure that is to make sure that they are provided with ongoing training, and also that they are provided with the required training, in particular covering a different range of areas such as mental health services, working with children and child safeguarding and vulnerable adults, as well as in courts.